Hey guys, Erica here, Scrapdiva29. Welcome back to my channel. I am coming on today with a quick card share. I had recently made this Get Well card for Tamika's daughter, who is Scrap the World here on YouTube. Her daughter just recently had a surgery and she was asking us to send in cards to cheer her up. So I wanted to send her a card. So this is what I came up with, and I've got to get it out in the mail. So I figured I'd come on and do a quick video on the card. Quickly, I used this die set right here, which I really love. It's a nesting set. It comes with the scallop, and then it also has these layering pieces. And I think I left the bigger one upstairs, but this is a really nice set. And then I also used this die right here. It's super cute Band-Aid. And then I used a cat scrappiness tag, and then of course the pink and Maine bow die, and just added some bling. And on the inside, I finished it off like this. And I think it came out super cute, and so I hope she likes it, and I hope this gives you a little bit of inspiration for a Get Well card. Thanks for watching. Leave a comment, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye for now.